Hello everyone, hello Kurdish learners. Welcome back to another video for learning Kurdish for another Kurdish class. For today, I'm going to teach you two feelings, okay, which is very important to know in Kurdish. And maybe you have difficulty to pronounce or how to write it down. So for today, I'm going to teach you these two feelings, and as you know, we discussed two last time, so you can search for it in my channel and you can find it. Okay, so now let's start our lessons for today. The first feeling that we have for today is hungry. In Kurdish, berseti. Okay, so berseti means hungry. Berseti, and try to repeat after me. So berseti. Okay, so now let's go start how to say I am hungry. So I am hungry in Kurdish is bersima, okay? Bersima. So you can say min bersima, but when you say the pronouns min, okay, which is I in Kurdish, so yeah, it's correct to say, but it's much better and more natural way to say without pronouns. So you can say bersima, not min bersima. So bersima. Okay, now let's know how to say I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Bersim niya. So bersi means hungry, okay? And when you say I am, okay, this is M in the end, is referring to I, and not always is niya, okay? So bersim niya. Okay, now if you want to say you are hungry, in Kurdish you say bersita. Okay, bersita. And as we say, this is T at the end before the A. It means you. It's referring to you as a pronoun. And so you are hungry in Kurdish is bersita. Okay, bersita. So this is bersita. If you like raise your voice, it's gonna be like a caution, like bersita. Okay, this is like cautioning someone. If you say you are hungry, are you hungry? So in Kurdish, gonna be saying bersita. And if you want to say you are not hungry, so you say bersit nia. Okay, so bersita means you are hungry. Bersit nia, it means you are not hungry. Okay, so you can make this as a caution as well. So like, aren't you hungry? You can say bersit nia. So in Kurdish is the same. Okay, so bersita, bersit nia. Okay, now we use the pronoun they. They are hungry. So in Kurdish it's gonna be bersiana. Okay, and if you want to say they are not hungry, you will say bersian nia. So bersiana, positive sentence, but if you say negative form, you say bersian nia. Okay, bersian nia. Okay, so now I teach you how to say use for he and she. So if you say she is hungry, okay, alate, you say bersiyeti. And if you say she's not hungry, you say bersi nia. And remember this, in English we have a different gender like he and she, but in Kurdish we don't have the same. So for he and she we use the same things. Okay, we don't use different things, so we have the same thing in Kurdish. So now we learn another feeling in Kurdish is thirsty. In Kurdish is tinweti. Okay, it's kind of hard, but you can control this word by practicing a lot. You can say tinweti, tinweti. So we have berseti, which means hungry, and we have tuineti, which means thirsty. So tinweti, tinweti. Okay, tinweti. So you can make make it two stressed, make it two part. Tinweti, tinweti, and then you can say it in the past way. So now we learn how to say I am thirsty. In Kurdish you say I am thirsty. Okay, in Kurdish you say tiniuma, tiniuma. Okay, tiniuma. Okay, it means I am thirsty. So that was a positive sentence, tiniuma. So now we learn how to say I'm not thirsty. In Kurdish you are going to say tiniumnia, tiniumnia. Okay, some Kurdish say tinimnia, tinimnia without u, wm. So they say tinimnia. Okay, so but the correct one is tiniumnia, tiniumnia. So now we are going to say how you going to say you are thirsty in Kurdish. You are thirsty, tinuta, tinuta, and you can use this as a caution. Are you thirsty? Tinuta, okay, tinuta. And some people say tinita, tinita, without doubling. So which one is easy? You can use it. So tinuta, tinita, okay. And if you want to say you are not thirsty, tinut nia or tinit nia, tinuta or tinit nia. And if you want to say they are thirsty, Kurdish is going to say tiniyana. Okay, and you can use tiniyana. Which one is easy for you, you can use it. Okay, and if you want to say it in a negative form, you're going to say tiniyan nia or tiniyan nia. So that was the lesson for today. We explained it through feelings, okay, hungry and thirsty, berseti, tinweti, and you can practice these words and these sentences. I'm sure that you are going to pronounce it as we do in Kurdish. And if you want to get these kind of lessons in Kurdish, so you can subscribe my channel as well. And so thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.